Case name Faction and age is 19 years and today date is 3rd February 2025 and complain of high-pitched voice even after puberty. I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
My voice is like child voice, so that's why I came here.
From which place you came?
I came from Goa.
Tell your hobbies.
I like to play football and badminton.
Post-therapy video of Faction and today date is 10th of February 2025. Faction, why you came and how do you feel after the treatment?
Hi, my name is Faction Wellington Dias and I came here for my high-pitched voice problem and now that problem has been cured. Thanks.
So when you are calling to your friends and relatives after the treatment, what reactions you got? Just tell in their words.
They were like, your voice is now very good. Earlier it was not that much good. So now they are telling it's nice.
So before treatment, when you are calling on the phone, what was happening?
Whenever I used to address someone, they used to call me like my voice is like a female voice. So now it's very good.
Tell your hobbies.
I like to play football and badminton and even cycle.
So you came from which place?
I came from Goa.
So thank you for coming from Goa and showing faith on us. And can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah, you can share.
So thank you so much for giving the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes in his voice, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.